Hello everyone and welcome to demonstration of our group project Unified Transcription Factor Analysis Tool. And for this project structure overview, let's see first data folder, which contain all the essential transcription factor dataset from different databases of transcription factor analysis we have downloaded. And it also holds this PWM folder, which contain almost 11,000 motif files of 1 KB each. And then we have escore.txt and zscore.txt, which are pretty heavy files, like almost 3 GB, and then other files like homo sapien transcription factor.txt, and then we also have this transcription factor protein.pasta, which contain protein sequences. Let's move to GUI. For GUI integration, we have used PyQt5 GUI. This file main window.py have all the logic for GUI integration, and also we have used Qt Awesome for icons and overall interface polish. And then Sphere jo module core modules such as transcription factor and GPT are also, all modules are integrated in this. Other modules of this project have all databases modules like CIS-BP.py, AnimalTFDB.py, which extract localized data from and GoTerm from AnimalTFDB data. And also we have also for GPT we have used ChatGPT summary.py module that connect to GPT 3.5, which unfortunately is not working very great for us because it is a paid model, so it's not properly working. So OpenAI API key is stored in .env file, as it should be for security reasons. And the next module is CIS-BP.py, which parse data from CIS-BP data files, and all other zscore, rescore, py, and HOCOMO API. HOCOMO is accessed by API, and all other databases are accessed by its own data. For network building and visualization, we have used Logomaker. Logomaker used to convert PWM matrix into motif logos. And then we have transcription factor loader.py, which definitely load all the data. For parsing, we need data to be loaded properly to function this application smoothly and very well. Next is this transcription factor parser, and for basically all of this is used for parsing data, as whole project is based on mainly depend on parsing the data. Then next we move to transcription factor summary.py and TRRUST.py. Summary, basically this gives one line or two line summary about that transcription factor. Then we have this light layout. This is QSS sheet style, so this have all the card color and font and spacing, all that information. And visualization, basically it give in PNG form. This use Logomaker and this module and give result in PNG form for logo and network visualization. This git ignore is used for when I uploaded this project on Git. So now let's run this project by main.py, and then we will test this its output. Now this is interface, and let's search for TP53, and we'll try different transcription factor to check if our results are good or not. First we have searched at TP53, it gave it summary, transcription factor, network diagram, and e-score table, c-score table, and all of the basically information what we needed. Next search TCCF. Now it's giving all the result in from different databases, transcription factor summary and network diagram and e-score table, z-score table, and functioning very well and smoothly. Now I'll test different transcription factor and then see that is it giving results good or not. All the results are displayed in clean and scrollable format and easy to navigate. So I think it's doing good, and all the main features we were thinking to implement are working properly, like a single unified tool which have all the five major transcription factor databases and simple input in format of transcription factor. And we have seen it that it is giving z-score table and scrollable simple layout. And in future we can definitely improve this and integrate different things like live databases integration and like network export to cystoscape and other things, like integration of multi-omics data, so expand its analysis to like RNA-seq and many different things we can implement in this. So so thank you for watching this demonstration, and all other different uh, transcription factor results are also I have checked, so you can see that too. So thank you and Allah Hafiz.